Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to CIT Python class session, and this is the first session that we are having. I'm going to show you how to download Python and install it on your computers to start your Python programming. This video is meant for those who will be using computers or during this class, and those who will be using mobile phones to program. This video is not necessary for you guys, but you can follow through to know how to download Python and install it on your computer in case in the future you have your laptop and you want to run a Python program in your laptop or a desktop computer. The first process you need to do is to open your Google Chrome, go to the search URL and search python.org. Once you type python.org, it will take you to the python.org website. Now you see, so once it takes you there, you click on downloads. It will show you the latest version of Python, which is 3.10.2. If you scroll down, you see the previous versions that they have released, and you can download any of them, but I recommended that we all downloaded the latest version of Python. So let's click on the download button. So now once you click on the download button, the download will initiate. So we click on download. Now you wait for Python to finish downloading. Aside that, we'll be needing additional softwares to carry out this session, which is going to be either a Visual Studio Code or a sublime. So to download a sublime, you follow the same process by just typing sublime. Now to download sublime, you have to go to the sublime website, which is sublimetext.com, and it will take you here. You can see that they to have the iOS version and the Windows version. Now you select on Windows version, which is 64-bit, and the download will also initiate. Now once the download is complete, we can now install our Python and Sublime Text into our computers. In the next session of this class, I'll teach you how to install Sublime Text and Python into your computer. For any comment and suggestion, please do that in Python discussion class. Thank you.